Welcome, in front of me say HOMTOM S9 Plus, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you want to open up the Contacts application. From here, tap on the three dots and choose Import Export. And in here, obviously we want to select that we want to import from SIM card. Press on Next. Now we want to import those contacts to our phone. Now there is a possibility that you also have a Google account. If you are logged into your Google, it should be visible right here, but I'm not, so there is only one option. And again, let's tap on Next, and this will bring up all the contacts that are on the SIM card. So you can either select all of them. There looks to be no way to select all quickly, so you'll have to do it manually, like so. And from there, click on OK, and this will import the contacts to your contacts list. And that's it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.